If you're struggling with the Praxis Elementary Education Mathematics 5003 exam, Algebraic Expressions, this video is going to change everything for you. Hi, I'm Selena, a test prep expert with Study.com. In this video, we'll focus on one of the core algebra competencies tested on the Praxis 5003 exam. This section measures your ability to evaluate expressions, solve equations, rearrange formulas, and simplify algebraic expressions. Each question will appear with a timer. Try to solve it before time runs out. Then stay till the end for the correct answers and explanations. Let's check it out.
Praxis time challenge.
Question 1.
If x equals 4 and y equals 3, what is the value of the expression 2x plus y squared? A, 22, B, 20, C, 17, or D, 18?
Question 2.
Solve for x in the equation 3x plus 5 equals 20. A, x equals 6, B, x equals 5, C, x equals 7, or D, x equals 4.
Question 3.
The formula for the perimeter of a rectangle is P equals 2 times length plus 2 times width, where P is the perimeter, L is the length, and W is the width. Solve for L. A, length equals P over 2 minus W. B, length equals P minus 2 times W. C, length equals 2 times width over P. Or D, length equals P over 2 times width.
Question 4.
Simplify the expression 4 times 3x plus 2 minus 5x. A, 7x plus 5. B, 11x plus 8. C, 12x plus 8. Or D, 7x plus 8.
Praxis Town Challenge.
Question 1.
To evaluate the expression, you must substitute 4 for x and 3 for y into 2x plus y squared. So your problem will now be 2 times 4 plus 3 to the second. 2 times 4 is 8, and 3 to the second is 9. 8 plus 9 equals 22. The correct answer is 22.
Question 2.
To solve for x, we must isolate x by performing inverse operations. First, we must subtract 5 from each side. 3x equals 15. Now, we must divide each side by 3. X equals 5. The correct answer is B. X equals 5.
Question 3.
To solve for L, you must first isolate L. Subtract 2w from both sides. Now you have 2L equals P minus 2w. Now you must divide each side by 2. You get L equals P over 2 minus w. The correct answer is A. L equals P over 2 minus w.
Question 4.
First, we must distribute the 4 to both terms inside the parentheses and then combine like terms. 4 times 3 is 12x. 4 times 2 is 8. So we now have 12x plus 8 minus 5x. Now we must combine like terms. 12x minus 5x equals 7x. So now we have 7x plus 8. The correct answer is D, 7x plus 8. How did you do? Did you notice which types of problems felt easiest and which ones need more review or more practice? Check out our Praxis Elementary Education Mathematics 5003 playlist. And for even more detailed practice strategies and customizable study materials, head over to study.com and check out our Praxis Elementary Education 5003 playlist. Those who use study.com boast a 92% pass rate. With our resources, you'll know exactly what to expect on test day. Like this video and subscribe to this channel to get all the latest Praxis test updates. And please leave your questions and success stories in the comments. Thanks for watching and happy studying.
Praxis Time Challenge.